What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to the best 86 channel on the whole of YouTube. And in today's video, we're working with this oak, John Mark IV. It's not slow. Anyway, we're putting in coilovers on the 86. Let me turn you guys around and show you what we're talking about. And here we have Tein Flex Z coilovers, front and rear. Beautiful as all hell. Cannot wait to get them in. So, I think without further ado, first things first, jack up your car. So let's get that done. Step one complete. Step two, let's take these oaks off. This side, I love having people who work on my car, it's great. Oh shit. And then that side. Yeah, let's go for it, 100%. Let's get these wheels off quickly. Step one complete, step two complete. Now, let's pop the hood. And then we're gonna just start loosening bolts and then drop everything off. That's for what? Alright, let's go, boys and girls. Let's go. 19. Drop link done. Fuck, that's heavy. Please don't tell me it's spinning. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Otherwise, I would have had to bring out our best friend, Mr. Angle Grinder. So, oh fuck. That was the same with the Pajero.
What was the nut?
I need an Allen key. Oh, that's okay.
That's all.
5 years later. Didn't even do it before and after. I forgot about that. But that's okay.
Up two.
Hook two. Spoon that tin. So that's drop link off. Don't let poubelle in the bin. So next we can take off these little brake line clips, I think, and then we should just be able to zip up the top of the thing and fall. Easy as that. Mint. Clips I'm talking about are these guys over here. They're plastic little things that are underneath, so I'm just gonna get them out, and then once we get there, we'll take off the suspension strut and put in a new one, and then we're done for the front. We'll just repeat the process and go straight to the back. Let's go. Okay, clips are off. I kind of saw now, you literally just pop these little sides in, same with the bottom one, and then you just pull them out. So in that case, now that we've got that loose, let's hit these out, and then we can zip off those, and then we should have a front strut and suspension out of the car. Let's hit them. Does whatever rubber bee does. And just like that, we have one knuckle. Oh fuck! We have one knuckle loose. So that's good. This is old stock shit. So let's take off the brake line quickly, and then once we take the brake line off, it should just slide out. And then we just take off the top, and we mint. Let's take these out. What's the gender reveal? What's it? It's a boy! And just like that, old shockers are. So let's just quickly repeat the process and get the new one bang up in there, baby. Let's go. Time for front left. Let's put her in. Mint. All we need to do now is do the drop link. So let's get the adjustable drop link and set her in. Right, sometimes you need to read these things, but not all the time. Only sometimes. So we're just having a look-see to see which way around the shock towers need to go. But I'm pretty sure we got them right way around, so I'm just going to double check. What is it called? RTFM. Read the manual. Tit. Slight up. This, I thought so. The cam is meant to be facing towards the back. So what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly rotate the shock tower, drop it, turn it, and make it face this way. So let's get that done. And just like that, we have the front left installed. So all that's left to do, repeat the process. We'll get front rights installed, then we'll move on to the back. So let's just so let's get that side installed. You know what? Let's just do a little bit of a snapshot. It will go something like that. Just like that, we're done, boys and girls. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to quickly install the drop link. I didn't actually film that. Comes with adjustable drop links. So essentially you just match the drop link size with the OEM drop link size, and then you adjust accordingly for when you drop your suspension, which is why you bought coilovers. So anyway, I'm going to quickly get that in, and then we'll be on to the good side of things. The rear end. Get your mind out the gutter. Let's go there. So let's finish up here, and then we're going straight there. Let's do it before and after in the rears. Shouldn't be too bad. That's a little bit of a before.
We're good with fingers. Finger measurement.
What he said. What about 4 fingers? Yeah, it's not your sister. It's not your sister. It's not your sister we're talking about.
That is...
Oh my...
Jesus, Thomas.
Yeah, I've driven them. That is hilarious.
Gee.
Now that the car's jacked up and on jack stands, and the boys are talking about food, so what we're going to do in the back here is what you have to do is pretty much pull out the lining here. Sorry, let me just pull out the lining over here on the side, and then you essentially, yeah, this comes off as well, and then you pull out the lining, and like I did over here, just pull out the pops, and there are the pops over there, and then you get to the shock over there. There's literally 3 bolts. There's 2 there, and there is 1 here. So I guess without further ado, let's just take it off and put on the rears. Let's hit it. So, as you guys saw, we have got the right-hand side done now on time-lapse. It was a little bit interesting. What we realized is all you have to do is disconnect from the knuckle over there, drop it. Yeah, I'm getting your tires too, don't worry. Drop it, and then drop the suspension, obviously, and then the sway bar link as well. And that really, really, really helps you. So we're just taking off the sway bar link. There we go. And then the suspension. And then the knuckle. And then Bob's your uncle and you hit her out. And that's it. So I guess this is time-lapse this side and get her off and put the new one in. Well, here we go, guys. This is a little bit of a better view over here. So I'm just going to loosen up. There we go. There goes a bolt. I'm just going to take this off and then that off. And then the suspension will drop out. So, yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's loosen this one. Oi, oi. Well, I'm just going to loosen that, then we'll get this out. Hey, listen. So, as you can see, the stock height is already a lot lower. You want to see my f***ing roll?
You're not going to demonetize this now.
Anyway, just want to show you guys the difference. So, that's the one. Let's put her in. You know where this is going? I'll show you where it's going.
In the bin.
Where's it going?
In the bin.
In the bin. Let's do it.
Video from the side when we drop it.
Right, boys and girls. Let's have a look at the final angle and the profile. Let's give her the drop. Let's give her the beans. Send it.
But get out of the picture, Tom. Fuck it. Excuse Thomas's language.
No.
Hi.
What is happening?
My YouTube video. Much better.
It was down. It was 4 fingers. Now we're down to 3.
Oh, yeah.
But now he won't be able to go for a bun.
That's the point. We love it.
Clean bun.
That, boys and girls, is how the 86 is now sitting. I haven't done anything in terms of changing the height yet, but yeah, we're in. You can see there. You guys saw us install that, but I reckon thought I'd just give you guys a little bit of an outro and show you how she's sitting. We're putting her in the garage for the last time. Next video is going to be very spicy, so you know what that means, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things, but it's going to be big. We've got some plans coming for that. I think I cut myself off.